Whales! Whales are the largest animals in the world, larger than any animal ever known to exist. Whales started out as land animals and entered the sea just 50 million years ago. Whales are the loudest animals on Earth. Whales have the largest brains of anyone. Whales are known to rationalize, learn, teach, cooperate, scheme, and even grieve. Yet whales have been heavily hunted for oil, meat, baleen, and ambergris, and many have become endangered. After many species hit the brink of extinction due to human overkill, a global moratorium on commercial whaling was set into place in 1986. While helpful even after years of protection and public awareness campaigns, illegal whaling continues on. Luckily, not all whales are endangered. The Antarctic minke whale and the common minke whale, for instance, whose numbers are estimated to be in the excess of 100,000 individuals, have been given the designation of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Most whalers consider them too small to bother. Yet they do appear to be the most commonly hunted non-endangered whale, so that status could change soon. Also considered a lesser concern are pilot whales, some of the most common marine mammals in the world. Estimates of the pilot whale population range from around 130,000 to 200,000. And right about now you might be thinking, that pilot whale looks an awful lot like a dolphin. Well, that's because it is. And so is the killer whale. In fact, all dolphins are whales. But not all whales are dolphins. Most accurately, all whales, dolphins and porpoises are cetaceans, of which there are two groups: Odontoceti, those with teeth like the killer whale, all dolphins and porpoises, and Mystaceti, those with a baleen filter instead of teeth, like the blue whale, the humpback and the right whale. Right whales are a group of 4 species of baleen whale that get their name from whale hunters. Often swimming close to shorelines, making them easy to find, they are known for floating above water after being killed, making them easy for pickup. And due to overhunting, near extinction. The blue whale, the very largest of them all, was at first too large and too fast for humans to handle, but with the advent of the steamboat, along with explosive harpoons in the late 19th century, now no whale is too big to manage. The massive sperm whales, fin whales, and the humpbacks are no exception. Hunting bans have definitely helped in recent decades, though not everyone is cooperating. Even now that commercial capture of endangered whales is prohibited worldwide, whale meat is still regularly sold and eaten in countries like Iceland, Norway and Japan. Japan has recently been placed under scrutiny for continuing to hunt endangered whales, claiming the activity is legal in the name of science. Yet reports suggest an enormous amount of that catch is sold for food in meat markets and restaurants throughout the region. One recent study claimed that 18% of all meat served in Japanese schools is whale meat. Setting aside humans, whales have no other predators, so it's really just up to us on this one. Human eats, entanglement in fishing nets, and collisions with ships represent the greatest threats, though other significant threats include ingestion of marine debris, ocean noise, and chemical pollution. To find out how you can get involved in the ongoing effort to help protect and maintain a healthy whale ecosystem, check out the World Wildlife Fund, SaveTheWhales.org, and SaveTheWhalesAgain.com. And so he piled upon the whale's white hump the sum of all the general rage and hate felt by his whole race, and then, as if his chest had been a mortar, he burst his hot heart shell upon it.